Hello everyone, good morning. In this talk I plan to give you just a glimpse on a relatively large project with this title, and which intends to address what we consider maybe the main key points or issues or bottlenecks in the process and the workflow of molecular imaging. The project is divided into 4 work packages that deal with different stages of the molecular imaging process. The first one is the, let me just cite 1 point per package. In the case of the radioisotope production, the main problem is the cost and complexity related to the large cyclotrons involved in this. For radiotracer production, let me mention the problems derived from the necessity to comply with good manufacturing practices, GMP, which makes the whole thing expensive and complex too. Regarding image acquisition, one of the things we are going to address in this project is the development of a new technology for hybrid scanners, MR PET scanners for small animals. And regarding image processing, one of the interesting points here is that regarding quantification of the studies at this moment, we have what I call a mess of different applications which do not necessarily lead to the same results, and we try to put some order in this, and most importantly to try to detect whether there may be a business model behind. So the AMIT project is large. I say its budget is about 18 million euros in 4 years. And it involves 10 industrial companies in Spain, 13 research centers, together with some international advisors, as for instance CERN in Europe, or MIT, or the Mass General Hospital in the States. Just a glimpse on results, and the work package 1 related to microcyclotron. We are developing actually a machine which is superconductive, which is going to be more or less this size, and which is going to be the smallest machine worldwide, and quite revolutionary if it finally works as expected. The second work package deals with the simplification of all the radiochemistry, and mainly making use of microfluidics and disposable components in such a way that it may make easier to comply with GMP and much more cheap. The third work package deals with the development of MR PET hybrid scanners, and one difference with other approaches is that our first prototypes of our systems are going to be commercialized next year. And finally, the fourth work package deals with the definition of the different scenarios and processing pipelines involved in the quantification of molecular imaging images and magnetic resonance. And one of the tricks here is how to make a business model out of this mess. So this is a very brief glimpse. If you have further questions, you know what you have to do. And let me say that there's a lot of further questions in this project. And since I've spent about 1 slide per 7 million euros of budget, so there's a lot of work behind. Thank you very much.